Alright y'all, what is up guys? So it's been a minute, my bad, but today we are going to be installing some new side skirts. As you can tell, I got these back then in my other video, but the sun kinda messed everything up, I would say. And these are 3-piece, which sucks, but I'll grab the new ones real quick. Yeah, so the new ones are from EZSPLITTER. That's their at. You know, hit me up. You know, sponsor me. But the guys should be coming back or coming here anytime soon. Yeah, we have it. It's been a while. Yeah, I'll give you guys an update. Hopefully there's enough clearance. It should be, you know. Shout out Megan Racing for the race ramps. But we good. Let's start this time lapse. So now we have this this rinky-dinky side skirt off. It did its job for the time being, but I'm gonna open this one up. Yes, sir. This is the new side skirt. It's kind of ass, huh? So this is one of them. I'll fuck with it. It's pretty clean. I just hope it's the right length. This is the driver's side. And Brian brought his dog. Oh man, the washer is really noisy, but see this? Perfection. Same length. It's a little longer, but it kind of needs to be, because this one sat. This one sat kind of short. All right, Joe. We got this shit on. We got some EZSPLITTERs. It's way more durable than my other janky ass one.
It's durable. Let me step on it. Let me step on it.
No, don't step. Nah. Hey, chill. We got a little Doge. Little dog. But yeah, this is way more durable than my $100 one that I got from back then. Let's hope this one lasts. Oh, yes, sir. Alright, we're gonna do the other side now. Alright, y'all. Gonna start this side. Ah.
Hey, what's up guys, it's me, Toby right here. We gonna do a side skirt install. Yeah, that's right. Go over here.
y'all. We finished the install, and looks pretty good. I'll show you in a bit. But this is how it looks.
That's legit, dude.
It's legit, dude.
It's legit, dude.
I like the fitment a lot better.
You hear me drip?
Kinda. Yes and no. I mean, it depends what you say by drip, you know.
Bro, drip?
That's,
You already know. I'm just kidding.
sir, the brand, EZSPLITTERs. I will link these splitters in the description below.
You probably forget.
No, I will edit this and I won't forget, okay? Alright, so Brian wants to go take his dog home. So that it's just me and Charlie right now. We don't know where Winston and Kira at, but we are going to wash my baby. I fuck with it. It's a lot smaller, but people won't be like kicking on it, you know? Cause my old one, people would be like, they'd be kicking the fuck out of this shit, bro. But this one is a lot more durable. Yeah, so we're just gonna wash our shit.